Music here, welcome back. So today I have New Jeans' second EP, their OMG DITTO album, and I have it in HAERIN's version today. I've been wanting this one for a long time because she's honestly like my second bias wrecker other than Hani because Danielle's my main bias. But let's get into the inclusions. The inclusions for this album are CD, postcards, photo book, lyric book, stickers, and photo cards. Honestly, for this only being like $17.99, for all the stuff that you get in it, I really do feel it's worth it. I got it at Target. Target's actually where I buy most of my albums from, mostly because a lot of the time the albums are on sale. Due to this, it is easier to buy it. And not only that, especially when there's deals and it's like a 2-for-1 type of thing, or something where it's like you get 20% off your total order. Well, anyways guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed looking at what was in this album. I really enjoyed opening it and unboxing it and seeing all the different things, and I can't wait to use these stickers for some cool stuff. And these photo cards are just so cute. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Anyways, peace out, crazy crew. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.